Hey, welcome to beautiful Breckenridge, Colorado, where it's actually May 22nd. We had a blizzard all day yesterday, got down to 20 degrees, but that's the high country for you. Now then, we're going to be taking a look at a product from the Airboard shop called the Airdome. This is going to give you some more storage space in your Airstream, because as Airstreamers, you know we basically have no outdoor storage, and this is going to give you just a little bit extra. Now then, they sent me some other products as well that's going to enhance your Airstream, and I think it's some awesome, great stuff. And so we're going to take a look at just how this is going to enhance your RV travels, give you a little bit more storage space, a little more stability in one area, and we're going to take a look at all of that right now. All right, here it is. This is the Airdome. Now then, this is a 2022 Airstream Globetrotter. This is the factory cover that comes on the propane cover. Now then, this is an excellent place to store some stuff, and I know some other companies have made the little boards that go over your propane tank that you can stack some stuff on, but as you can see, this is only about 2 inches high. That's where this comes in. Now then, the Airboard shop has provided all of the tools you need. I'm actually not going to install today because I don't have my rivet gun and I want to rivet these in. They give you the opportunity to just rivet them back or to put in screws in order to hold it. I want to rivet it because, you know, it's an Airstream. You're supposed to have rivets everywhere, right? And so I will be doing a video on the install of this later. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and be notified whenever that video comes out. But anyway, I'm just going to show you how it works and how ingenious this really is. Now then, they did send me the Airboard that goes over the propane tanks. They sent me this as well. And so let's take a look at exactly how this is going to work. Okay, first of all, here is the Airboard. As you can see, it is angled to fit directly into your propane cover. Now then, they make this in several different materials. This is kind of that hard plastic, that the same thing that this is made of, only thicker, so that gives you a little more stability and durability. Now then, they also make it in, I believe, in a metal, like a diamond plate metal, as well as some other colors. And so it fits perfectly in there, and that's where you're going to be able to stack your things, such as your leveling blocks or your chalks. Okay, installation's actually going to be a breeze. They provide everything you need except for the actual rivet gun, which I didn't bring mine, and so I'm not going to be able to install today. However, you'll just drill out these rivets and then just replace the Airdome with the supplied rivets, or again, they do have the screws that you want if you want to just screw it on as well. Again, I prefer the rivets. Okay. Through the magic of not actually doing it and just setting it on top of the existing cover, you can see exactly how much more room this is going to give you. Again, I think this is a genius idea, and if you haven't patented this yet, Airboard shop, you should do so, because I think Airstream may start doing that, because why didn't they think about that in 90 plus years of manufacturing, right? So anyway, I do think this is a fantastic product that you should take a look at. Just go to theairboardshop.com. I'll put that link in the description down below, as well as the other products that you can get there on the Airboard shop. And let's go take a look at another one right now. Okay, if you're an Airstreamer, you know that these stairs are actually good in the sense that they are manual. They don't have an electric motor to fail, which is a good thing, right? However, they're not the most stable thing, and that's where this comes in. This just fits right under there, gives you just a little bit more stability. Super easy to install. You just put it right under there against your frame, and then it fits right there on that bottom step, giving you a little bit more stability. Now this is another thing that we carry that's on our Amazon shop that if you want to take a look at, because whenever we're stopping for lunch and I don't feel like folding these steps out and folding them back in, this is a perfect thing. We just keep this right at the door when we're traveling. I just plop it out, and then you've got a built-in step. Perfectly great solution for when you don't want to fold these bad boys out.
Now this next thing is something you didn't even know you would want or need, and that is an upgrade to those ugly plastic straps from the Airstream factory. Replace them with genuine leather. Such a simple install. You simply just unscrew the old and you screw the new right back in. Now then, I did this and it looks absolutely fantastic and such an easy upgrade. Again, something you didn't even know you would want or need, but once you get them in, it really just adds that little pizzazz to your Airstream. Highly recommend these.
All right, that wraps it up. Great product, right? I'll put all those links down below, airboardshop.com. And again, perfect solution for you Airstreamers. Now then, if you like more Airstream content, you like more RV content, gear, gadgets, all that stuff, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to know when I release that video about when I install this bad boy.